38 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15. This process will continue. 3 goes into this 3 how many times? 3 goes into 3 one time, right? 1 time 3, that gives you 3. Subtract 0, bring down this digit 8. 0 8 means 8. 3 goes into 8 how many times? 3 times 3 9, which is greater, so 2 times actually. So 2 times 3 6, subtract 2. So our answer is 12, remainder 2. To write your answer in decimal form, take here decimal, then you are allowed to take any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, but before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, which is greater, so we need to stop here 6 times. So 6 times 3 18. Subtract, you are getting what? You are getting 2. Bring down this 0. 3 goes into 20 again 6 times, so 6 times 3, which is 18. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down next 0. 3 goes into 20 again 6 times, 6 times 3, which is 18. Subtract 2. You can add here more 0 and bring down also. So this process is continuing, so you can place here 3 dot, or you can place here a bar over 6. This means that this 6 is repeating. So our answer is 12.666 dot dot dot, or 12.6 bar.